If you want to nominate yourself in HEP 2018 awards, then in this tutorial I will show you all the steps needed one by one. So let's get started without any further delays. First you need to open your web browser. You can use any browser you have. I am using Google Chrome here, so type hepacksawards.com in address bar and hit enter. This is our website where you may find details about previous and upcoming events, media and much more. Now scroll down a bit and in nomination process for HEP 2018, and click on Read More button. So here are all the steps you need to know for nomination. Feel free to read that. The process written here is detailed and has every step needed. Now at the bottom click on the Nominate Now button. This will take you to the login page. Now click on Register here. Please fill out the form displayed, like your first name, last name, email address, phone number. Upload your clear photograph by clicking the Choose File button, your current school name and address, your country, state and city in their respected fields, then your designation and then type in your password. Retype to confirm, select your gender and submit. Now you should be looking at a message which says thanks for signing up. Please check your email for confirmation. So now what you need to do is to open a new tab in your web browser and log into your email which you used to register with us. As I used a dummy Gmail ID, I am going to log in with the same. As soon as you log in, there should be an email waiting for you from AKS Education Awards in your inbox. Click on that and open it. Now click on the Verify Your Account button or the link given. This will take you to the login page on hepacksawards.com and should display a message saying that your email is verified. Please log in here. Input your registered email and password and click Submit. This is how your dashboard will look. It contains some important links and information about the nomination status. So now click on the Click Here to apply for HEP 2018 button. This will open up a form which you need to fill carefully. The form has many fields where you need to enter your personal details, professional details and career progression. Please tick mark on the undertaking below the form and click on Preview and Submit button. Now please carefully check all the details you entered. If you find out some mistakes or something you want to change, then scroll down and click on the Edit Form button. Correct the mistakes and click on Preview and Submit button once again. Go through your form once again carefully and click on Submit button. This will take you to a small and simple quiz page. Here you need to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is poor and 5 is excellent. Read the statements and questions, then select the respected button according to the rating. After filling out 10 questions, there will be a descriptive question below. Please read the question carefully and type in your answer in the provided box within the word limit, which is 100 to 150. When you are done, please click Submit button. A new page will open up and will need you to enter the factual data about your school, like projects, board exam results and achievements. Fill out all the details and click Submit button below. An alert message will pop up saying that you have completed phase 1 of your nomination process and details about remaining 2 phases. Read the details once and click on the link to your dashboard to check progress. Now here you will see some new data in Nomination Progress tab. Tick mark in green color says that the respected process is completed and the cross mark in red says it doesn't. So for now let's know how to refer other principals, which you will surely do. For that you can just type in the details of your friend in the form displayed right in front to refer a principal. Or if you want to refer more than one principals at once, then you should click on the link on the right side of the screen to refer other principals. This will take you to a simple form. Enter the name, email and phone number in their respected field and hit submit. A confirmation message just above the form will show up like this. You can follow the same steps if you want to refer more of your friends. For now let's download or print a PDF file for all the details you have entered so far. By clicking the link to the right in Nomination Progress tab, a new window will open up. Now click on Print and type in the file name and click Save. Close this tab. Now you are back at your dashboard. Let's fill out HEP endorsement form for management by clicking at the link in Nomination Progress. There are some instructions in the left side of the screen. You can read that if you want, or just follow along this video tutorial. Enter the details needed in the fields given and click Save and Continue button. On this screen you need to enter details of at least 5 teachers carefully. Enter the details one by one for a teacher, then click on Save and Continue. Follow these steps for all 5 teachers. When you reach teacher 5, there will be a new option in the bottom of the form which asks you if you want to add more teacher. Click Yes if you want to add more teacher, or just click on No and hit Save and Continue button. Now in this screen you are asked to enter details of at least 5 parents. Fill the form and hit Save and Continue. Again on the 5th parent form there will be a new option which asks if you want to add more parent. Let's say now you want to add one more parent, then click on Yes and then hit Save and Continue. Here enter the details about the 6th parent and click on Save and Continue. Now you are at your dashboard again. Here you can check your nomination progress. Let's say now you want to add one more teacher in the HEP endorsement form. For that, click on the respected link. You will see a list of names of the teachers you added so far in the drop-down, and at the end of the list there should be a link to add more teacher. Click on the link and enter the details of the respected teacher. And click on Save and Continue. This will take you to the form of adding parent. If you want, you can add more parent or just let it be. As you may see, there is still a red cross exists on the Upload Speech Video button. So let's click on the link. On this screen you need to paste link to the mandatory speech video which you shot. Here let's suppose you have shot your video and the final video is saved on your computer or the device you are using to fill the form. Now log into your email ID and then open a new tab. Type www.youtube.com and hit enter. Your screen should look like this. Now click on the button in the upper right corner to upload the video. If you have never uploaded a video to YouTube, then this screen will show up. Here just click on the Create Channel button. Now click on the big button and select your file and click Open. This will start the uploading of your video. Add a title and description in the given fields. And hit Publish button. From this screen, just copy the link. Go to your dashboard and paste the link here and click on the Save and Continue. Let's check the progress one more time. Your part is mostly done here, so just log out for now by clicking the Log Out button to the right. This tutorial is for teachers who were added by the principal in HEP endorsement form. So let's continue. Open a web browser and log into your email. You should see an email from AKS Education Awards for endorsement for HEP 2018 awards. Open it and click on the given link. This will open a new tab with a simple quiz in it. You need to rate your principal on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is poor and 5 is excellent. Please read all the statements and questions carefully and select the respected button honestly for rating. Now just click Submit. A pop-up window will show up and will say Endorsement done successfully. Thank you for your time. Click OK. Your work is now finished here, but feel free to look around in our website. This tutorial is for parents who were added by the principal in HEP endorsement form. So let's continue. Open any web browser you use and log into your email. As soon as you log in, you should see an email from AKS Education Awards for endorsement for HEP 2018 awards. Open it and click on the given link. A new tab will open up. Here you need to fill a few details about yourself, like occupation, qualification, your ward name, ward class and section, year since studying in the school and major improvements. Take your time to fill the details. Now there will be simple quiz in this page. Here you need to rate the principal on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is poor and 5 is excellent. Please read all the statements and questions carefully and select the respected button honestly for rating. Now check your details once more and click on Submit button at the bottom. A message will pop up saying Endorsement done successfully. Thank you for your time. Click OK. Your work is now finished here, but feel free to look around in our website.